Hey guys, it's Ryan here. Today, we're talking about the 10 things you need to sacrifice to become rich. Becoming rich is not easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to make sacrifices. But if you're serious about achieving financial freedom, here are the 10 things you need to be prepared to sacrifice. 1. Material possessions. When you're focused on becoming rich, you can't afford to waste your money on unnecessary things. This means cutting back on luxury items, such as expensive clothes, cars, and vacations. Instead, invest your money in assets that will generate income over time. 2. Time. Becoming rich takes time. You'll need to spend long hours working hard and building your business or career. This means sacrificing your free time and social life. 3. Comfort. Becoming rich is not always comfortable. You'll need to be willing to step outside of your comfort zone and take risks. This may involve working long hours, traveling frequently, or dealing with difficult people. 4. Relationships. Becoming rich can be demanding, and it can sometimes take a toll on your relationships. You'll need to make sure that your partner, family, and friends are supportive of your goals. And you'll need to be willing to compromise and make sacrifices in order to maintain your relationships. 5. Health. It's important to take care of your health, even when you're focused on becoming rich. Make sure to eat healthy, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Becoming rich is not worth sacrificing your health. 6. Peace of mind. Becoming rich is not always easy, and it can be stressful at times. You'll need to be able to handle pressure and setbacks. And you'll need to find ways to relax and distress. 7. Pride. You'll need to be willing to ask for help and learn from others. Don't be afraid to admit that you don't know everything. And be humble about your accomplishments. 8. Fear of failure. Everyone fails at some point. It's a part of life. The important thing is to learn from your failures and keep moving forward. Don't let your fear of failure stop you from pursuing your goals. 9. Perfectionism. It's important to strive for excellence, but don't let perfectionism hold you back. Done is better than perfect. So don't be afraid to ship your products or services, even if they're not perfect. 10. Instant gratification. Becoming rich takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts. So be patient and persistent, and you will eventually achieve your goals. So there you have it, the 10 things you need to sacrifice to become rich. It's not easy, but it's definitely possible. If you're willing to make the sacrifices, you can achieve financial freedom and live your dream life. If you're serious about becoming rich, I encourage you to start making the sacrifices necessary today. It won't be easy, but it's definitely possible. And I'm here to support you along the way. Leave a comment below and let me know what sacrifices you're willing to make to become rich. And subscribe to my channel for more motivational and educational videos.